Hey guys, welcome back to Rhema graphics. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to blur images using your Snapseed app. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Snapseed app if you don't already have it. After downloading it, you go open the app, and then this is how the interface looks like. You're just going to click on this plus icon or the open icon at the top left. After doing that, you go over to the image that you want to blur. I'm going to be using this apple I did in my thumbnail, and then you go over to tools, go over to lens blur, and then you're just going to pinch the image with your hand. So it's just like you're zooming out, you pinch and then you drag it to a corner so the blur affects all the sides of the image. Next, you just want to increase the blur strength by sliding your finger across your screen, so you can increase and reduce. So you increase it to the level you want, and then you click on this icon right here. After that, when you want to save it, you just click on export and click on save or export, and then your photo is saved. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do it to like, do it to share, subscribe and leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye.